idea what he's doing. Me. Yes, miss. What kind of caviar are you looking for? Entitled Mom. I'm looking for beluga, sturgeon caviar from the Caspian Sea. I bought it here a few years ago, and it was amazing. I haven't been able to find it anywhere. Me. Ma'am, I'm sorry. You must be mistaken. We have never carried beluga caviar. Last I heard, beluga caviar has been banned in the USA since 2005. There was a hybrid farm certified in Florida in 2016. Entitled Kid 1, full volume. Mom, look at the fish. Now sticking his fingers against the glass case. Entitled Mom. Shh, can't you see I'm talking? Back to her full volume. That's impossible. I picked it up here a few years back for $100. You can't BS me. Me.
Take the next left onto San Juan Avenue, then turn left onto Roosevelt Boulevard.
Ma'am, when beluga caviar was last sold in 2000,
Turn left onto Roosevelt Boulevard.
$600 an ounce. Once again, we have never sold beluga caviar. Perhaps it was a different sturgeon caviar. We have some that are at the $100 price range. Karen, I don't believe this BS. I know what I bought. My husband is on the city council, and I'm going to tell him about this and get you shut down. Me. At this point, I walked away to call security. She had left when I had gotten back. I didn't think much of it afterwards, just another crazy customer. A few weeks later, the same Karen came back, but this time to gloat. Karen, I came to show you that we were able to get it. The price was ridiculous, but we have photos showing it is the real deal. She had photos of not only the fish that was caught for the eggs, but video of 3 men catching it, the weight, cost, shipping ticket, proof, and pictures of them eating it. She was also here to place an order for a roast. I asked the clerk to get the order. Asked for an address under the premises of it being over a $200 order. I went to the back and called the game warden, Fish and Wildlife. I reported to the store manager what I had been shown and had the approval to report it. Game warden came in asking for the Entitled Mom's info, and it was freely given. I heard from the same game warden a few months later when calling about a few Chinook salmon a man had brought in. Entitled Mom was given a search warrant and was found to have illegal beluga caviar in their freezer. After lab tests, I'd guess. I was told that they were given
Continue for 3 miles.
for the caviar, but still had a pending trial that could charge them up to $25,000 and jail time for their actions that led to the death of an endangered species, international shipping of illegal goods, and a few others I don't quite remember. I offered to be a witness, but as they had the pictures, product, and messages between the sellers and Entitled Mom and Entitled Dad, they had plenty of evidence for a conviction. I wasn't given any info on the results of the trial afterwards. If I could remember her name, I'd try looking it up since it's likely public record. Edit. I forgot to mention, Entitled Dad did work in the city council, but not as a seat or such. He is, or was, a manager in the public works area, wastewater. I can't imagine that he was able to keep that job as the government/city higher-ups don't generally have a large criminal background. Edit 2. I'm glad everyone learned about the beluga sturgeon. I honestly feel bad for the kids that have parents such as these. I always wonder how the kids are doing after one of the parents ends up in law trouble. Have you ever tried caviar? If not, would you like to? Please let us know. I'd prefer some McDonald's, but hey, to each their own. Boss likes to see me beg? Enjoy seeing your money every day, but not being able to use it. So a bit of background first. I joined a bank, and after a few months, we had a management change in the division. The new division head brought some of the guys from his previous bank. Usually that's how it works in banks in my country. But the thing was that he treated the old team members like crap, and his boys were spending time surfing the net and presenting others' work to the management as their own. The issues. 1. I had an incredible workload, which made me to work 3 to 3.5 hours overtime daily without overtime pay. 2. My first year with the new boss, I got 0 increment, while his boys who joined in the last 6 months all got promotions. 3. The boss was petty and had a god complex. His boys would do apple polishing all day. 4. Gave no days off when I had the flu. 5. He and his boys would make sure everyone laughed and made fun of any tiny mistakes that happened in my work. As I had a huge workload, I did make a few small mistakes, but nothing that caused any loss. 6. They knew I got married and had a baby on the way, so I couldn't resign. So they went as far as making fun of my personal issues right in front of me. 7. They were simply a gang of jerks. So this goes on for like a good 1.5 years, until I get a substantial offer from a better bank.